Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We're finna do a farm tour number 999. Farm update number 999. Y'all seem to enjoy them. I want y'all to look at how big them turkeys are getting. Oh my goodness. Growing every day. Ducks are getting big. The hens are enjoying the big life out here. Kind of started a little late today where I could film. They're all mad, they're all thirsty and hungry and everything else. This Texas heat hadn't been a joke. You gotta stay on top of that water. You gotta stay on top of all of it. Figuring out ways to keep them cool and everything else. I don't know if y'all seen this. My little shade I built. And I started putting a little chicken wire over the top just to keep the stuff from climbing in. So far we hadn't lost anything. Now I'm not gonna be surprised if I look in here and Floppy ain't doing good. He was not doing, oh, he's doing fine today. He was not doing good yesterday. But ducks are starting to get loud and annoying. Yeah, that's him. That's the littlest one's the loudest one we got. It's crazy. Alright. We're gonna start the day off at the bag garden. Cucumbers they're going, dude. They're starting to vine out and run. Would I recommend a bag garden? Am I gonna buy more? I am. But if you don't have time for it, definitely not. Because it's time consuming. I have to water them twice a day and fertilizing them once a week. Watermelons are taking off. Tomato plants are starting to grow. I'm gonna have to get cages around them. The squash and zucchini have took off. We lost one zucchini. We planted a seed right there for cantaloupe. Whether it'll make or not, I don't know. And we got 3 watermelon plants and they're all starting to do their thing. The last of the brooder chicks. Probably another week, 2 weeks, they're gonna be out of here. 2 guineas and 4 what were supposed to be pullets, but I'm pretty sure that one right there is a rooster. So I needed a rooster anyway. Now here we go. This is farm tour 1000. Or now, no, this is farm tour 999. Go show y'all everything else. The guineas, they're growing. I got a story about that I'll tell y'all here in a minute. I move this pen every day, or I try to. Wednesday morning, I was moving it. And the guineas won't walk with it like the hens would. They just want to stay in the back, and I got it on one of them's legs. Had the front door open, I run around there and pick it up, get it off its leg, and boom, it flies out the door. But for 2 days, I tried to catch that thing. And I mean, I tried hard, but no luck. Yesterday, I set my live trap out and just left it where it wouldn't close, right up against the pen. Did that for 3 hours. Well, I came out here right at the end of the night, set it where it set. I was watering everything, and I caught it, finally. So it's finally back in there. Which before too long, they're gonna be loose anyway. Probably the first week of August. And here we are, I think July the 16th. They probably got 2 or 3 more weeks, and they're gonna be running loose anyway. Rabbits are doing good. Real good. They don't like the heat. They sleep all day and they up partying all night. They're still up this morning. Try to bring you a little footage of them. Get back. Kind of tame, way tamer than I thought they'd be. I don't know if I just want out or what. Gunner likes harassing them. Won't be long, I'll be having to start separating them, getting a rabbit to breed them. Yeah, it won't be long, it'll be time to start breeding them rabbits. I've been looking for a buck. I'm gonna start looking a little harder. Probably by September, I might they'll be starting to get ready to get bred. And I have to get them separated and do all that. The quail are doing good. Oh, you say you got quail. Yeah, I've got a problem, people. I was on a Facebook Marketplace, and a guy in the town close to us had them really cheap. So, I bought 10 and gave me 12 cornets quail. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with them. I know I'm gonna get some eggs out of them when they start laying eggs. They're about 5 weeks old. And we got another month before they start laying eggs, so I know I'm gonna get eggs. Probably try to go through there and get all the roosters but one and eat them. I may get an incubator and incubate some out. I'll have to build some more pens. I like eating quail. And that's a pretty fast food because they grow fast, they do everything fast. So if Gunner don't kill them, we'll probably have some quail. Get on, Gunner. She is not happy unless she's harassing them or the rabbits. She was trying to harass one of the turkeys a while ago, and it bit her on the nose. She didn't like that. They are piled up. You know why they're piled up like that? Because they want some food. Well, the ones in the little pen, I don't feed but once a day. Because I'm going to open that little pen, I want them to come back at night, so I feed them right before dark every day. These I feed twice a day. I got the quail yesterday. I'm not sure how their feeding program's going to work. But I'm out here at least 3 or 4 times a day watering everything. And I bought a water from Tractor Supply. Don't fucking do it. It ought to be called the Bird Killer 10,000. I'm surprised it hadn't cost me to kill any birds. Because it'll just drain on its own. For no apparent reason. But if y'all enjoyed this little short cringy video, let me know. I got to get busy. I got to get to feeding and watering. Got to spritz the garden a little bit. I don't water it heavy in the morning. I will water it heavy at night, which is counterintuitive to what I was taught, but it's working. So I hope y'all have enjoyed it. Hope y'all keep enjoying it. I'm going to try to go to a deer lease tomorrow. No promises, but I'm going to try. If I do, I'll bring y'all on. Probably won't be no fishing videos. We're still 100 degrees every damn day. I can't get in the kayak when it's like that. Might get with Mr. Eddie one day next week and try to go early in the morning. But I'll bring y'all on if I do. And we gone.